In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the left sidebar menu show class hide labels. We're doing this on a computer using a web browser. Start by opening Gmail. Look toward the top right of your inbox for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click it, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. From here, select the Labels tab. This is where Gmail lets you decide exactly which labels appear in the left sidebar and when. On the Labels tab, you'll see three main sections. System labels include built-in items like Sent and Drafts. Categories relate to the default tabs such as Social and Promotions, if you use those. And Labels is where your custom labels live, the ones you've created to organize your messages. Each item in these sections has options under a column called Show and Label List. This column controls the left sidebar specifically, what you see in that main list and what gets tucked away. You have three choices for each label. Choose Show if you want the label to always be visible in the main sidebar. This is great for labels you use every day or want quick access to without scrolling. Choose Hide to remove the label from the main list. It won't disappear entirely. It's moved under the More dropdown at the bottom of the sidebar. This helps keep your sidebar clean while still letting you access the label when you need it. Finally, choose Show if unread if you want Gmail to display that label in the main sidebar only when there are unread messages inside it. When everything in that label is read, it automatically moves under More, so your sidebar stays uncluttered. As you make changes, you can glance back at the left sidebar in your inbox and see the effect immediately. If you don't see a label you expect, look for the More dropdown near the bottom of the sidebar and expand it. That's where hidden labels and those without unread messages will appear. If you later decide a label deserves a permanent spot, switch it to Show. If a label is rarely used, set it to Hide and retrieve it from More when needed. And if a label only needs attention when something new arrives, Show if unread is a smart choice. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to the Labels tab, and use ShowHide or Show if unread to tailor your Gmail sidebar to your workflow. Keep the essentials up front, keep the rest accessible, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox.